Okay, you know, right, insight reporting and everything you are able to understand, right, now.
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
performance model. So with this, the course is completed, but administration is there. I think I want to explain you the administration now. The very simple thing in the TM1, but how is
Okay.
very important. Okay, how to do it. So do you know about the replications? Replication.
Yes, sir.
Come again.
You explained like transferring the cube data from one server to other server.
Exactly, exactly. So that is fine, right? That means simple. If you're having any another server, then it is fine. Now, how to create different servers and how to give the user ID passwords, how to create the users and groups and roles, and how to do the assignment. Okay, let me go ahead and create first. I will give the access to some of you. Maybe Priyanka is a new user. Okay, I want to give the access to Priyanka. So this is the architect. Let me open it. Done. Okay, so here, say for example, we have created some cube, right? Maybe Priyanka sample,
Yeah, we have Priyanka sample cube.
and again some other server I deleted because every time it is
Okay.
okay. Fine. Let me go ahead and create one simple, very quick cube. Okay.
Okay.
But you shouldn't. Okay. I'm taking this Priyanka. Very important. This is normally so many times we'll use in the real time. This is only we'll use in the administration. How to give the access.
Okay.
See this one. This is the Priyanka sample. Okay. Double click it. This is the data. Maybe these are all so many things are there. So India, you can access okay 20 or something. Data spreading, you know, right?
Yeah.
Just I'm giving some value sampling. Okay. Um, Something like that. Just India one I did it. Just for information only, right? Okay. S1 location, S1 time, and S1 other. Say for example, Priyanka sample cube. I want to give the access to the Priyanka only, and maybe her team members or her group members. So first of all, you should have the user, right, with the name of Priyanka or whatever it is. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what you need to do is you need to go to the server, planning sample, right click, security, clients and groups. Okay. And if you see this, admin, data admin, security admin, after that so many groups are there. You need to create different groups, but these are the default groups. What do you mean by admin?
Yeah. Admin, he has a complete access.
Exactly, he has complete access. He can remove the data, he can delete the data, he can delete the cube, you can add the cube. Data admin means only he can delete the data or he can add the data, but he cannot delete the cube structure itself, or he cannot give the permission to that particular cube. Okay. But security admin means he can only give the security, he can give the access to anybody, but he cannot delete the data, all those things. Okay. These two combination will become admin. Data
Admin.
admin plus security admin is nothing but overall admin. Okay. Which one you want to give? For example, if I give the access to admin, he will see all the cubes, everything. Okay. But I want to create a Priyanka as a new user, clients, add new clients. Right it? We created or not? Yeah. So now Priyanka have created will be coming lost. See this here the password is not there. You need to give the password Priyanka and again Priyanka. Okay? ಇದು correct one ನೋಡಿ. Done. I'm not giving the permission to as admin. If I give, she will see everything, but I don't want.
Yeah.
So I want to create one group, because in TM1 you will give the access to the group only. Even one user also you have to create one group. Okay, 10 users also you have to create. So go to the group, add a new group. Maybe what you will do, VI 2016 May group. Okay.
Okay.
So it will come last, right? See, because this is the first time created. So you just assign Priyanka to this group. If you want to assign to Priyanka to this group also, you can put like this, tick box. But I want to assign to BA this one. Done. So group is created. So you can see, right, change password, set password means if you go ahead here and change password. And say for example, you password created and you want only 30 days only that password. Again it has to expire. You can put here. Okay. Number of connections, how many times he can log in, whether he is active or not, I can see here. Okay. Now everything is done and click OK. Fine. Now save data. Done. Okay. Now if I am going simply log out and log in with Priyanka, Priyanka, sorry, Priyanka, done. See, she is able to go inside of the server, but she is not having any access. Are you getting my point? So
Yes.
I'm logging out. And what you need to do, if I'm giving the admin permission, she will say you will be able to see all the cubes also. Okay, but I'm not giving, I want to give access only for something. So one cube only, right? Priyanka cube only I want to give. So what I need to do is, go to the view, you know, right? Display control objects.
Yeah.
Get the control object. First, if you want to give access to the cube, what do you need to give? Dimension. Am I right?
Yeah.
For Priyanka cube, what are the dimensions? Just check it out. For Priyanka cube, what are the dimensions?
S1 location.
S1 location, S1 time, F1 measure. Okay?
Tiles. Yeah.
So now first go to the here, this control cubes, dimension security one cube will be there. Just check it out. First dimension security, yes, this one.
Yeah.
So here S1 location, S1 time, all those things you will just check it out. So you just, instead of going like this, you can select only those items, right? Then it is better. S1 location, S1 measure and S1 time. Just keep those elements and click OK. Right? Now what is the owner group name? Our group name is?
BI 2016 May.
So I am giving a read permission. You know, right? For why I am giving only read permission dimension? Anybody?
Yeah, only with the Priyanka group can only see.
Those are, they don't want to edit the structure. They want to see the data. So dimension permission should be there, but not for write permission of the dimension. Then close. Dimension given. Next, again cube security has to given, right?
Yeah. Below, above dimension security.
Yeah. Yes. So what is our cube? Priyanka sample cube. Right? Priyanka sample cube, write permission. I'm just recalculating. So why I am giving write permission here?
So in
Why I am
cube we have
Okay, I'm giving read permission first. What will happen? I'll just check. What will happen now? Tell me. Go ahead and log out.
They can't. Okay.
They can't edit the data. They can see the data.
Data. Yeah.
So because sometimes you want to give the read permissions only to the users, then you give the read permission. Okay. Priyanka. Priyanka. See the. See, you cannot edit the data even for India also. Why dimensions is not appearing? Okay. Fine, you cannot edit the data. Now log out and give the right permission with admin access. Put right. Okay. And also dimension security, just check it out because I didn't save or okay, that's it. So just close it and then come back here. Now see that whether you are able to see the data. You log out, sorry. You log in with Priyanka.
Priyanka.
Okay. See now for India, see I am able to change. Are you getting my point? So is able to get that.
Yes.
You can go ahead and see in the TM1 web also if you want. Same thing. Let's check Priyanka. What is the reason for this? I did some mistake here.
Yeah, actually, we need to make it public something.
No. Just go ahead here, security. You need to make, I think maybe the day I explained you. When you are creating to the any other group also, one more group also you need to mandatory you need to assign. Everyone group, one group will be there. TP everyone group. So this one.
Yeah, TP underscore everyone.
So Priyanka also will add it. Okay. Then say. Now just go ahead once again, log out. See. Okay. You can create your own views also. So I want location is a row and time is a column and this one also location is title. Anything. This is rows.
Okay.
Okay. Name is view one. See, and you can drag anything. You can see the data, you can see the charts, because you have created that. Okay, so like this user can see based on the permissions he is having. Then you can do the sandbox, everything, and like that. Because I have given him her right access permission.
Right.
That is what
Access.
first thing. And for example, same cube I want to give another people also, Hari also. What I need to do? Anybody just tell me. If I want to give Hari also same cube access, and whatever Priyanka is having access, Hari also should have the same cube access. How to do it? Just assign him, okay? Anybody, any user, client, admin client, Hari,
Right. Hari.
and give him a password first time. Maybe after that he will change in the TM1. Hari,
Okay.
Hari. And I need to assign him to be a group.
TP everyone first.
First TP everyone group is first.
Yeah. Okay.
This one first. And the next, and where she is belonging to Priyanka, that group. 2006 BI 2006 group, right?
BI, yeah. BI 2016. Maybe in the last.
No, it will become sort out. Now it will not.
Okay.
Two times on it. Just check Priyanka. Where she is. Yeah, this one. Okay. So go below in the same line. Sorry, also there. That's it. Now log out. Now you can see in the TM1 web also, because why I am not giving security once again, because you have given to the cube group, right? Already given. So Hari is assigned to the group. So automatically for Hari also same permissions. See.
Hari, is there any limit on the users? Like,
No. Number.
no.
N number of users you can do. That's not an issue.
Okay.
Okay, this is how now Hari also having the same access. Like this, you can add 100 users also to the same group, because they want only one project, so everybody should have the same access. Is it clear now?
Yeah, it's clear.
Right. And the second thing is how to create the different servers itself. You can see here. Very, very important. This is only you are doing in the as an administrator. If you want to do something, you will do this.
Mm-hmm.
One second, I am trying to open the 10th version.
Okay.
Services. First, to just check it out whether the TM1 server is started or not. So like this, you can create the users, groups, and roles. Okay. Read permission, write permissions. You can give like that. This also started. Done. Okay. Now try to use. One second. I think maybe the path I changed my previous to. See, program files, IBM, Cognos, TM1 new I think. Okay. You try to use the same thing, TM1. For you it will not be, but I changed it previously. See. Okay. Because I have maybe because of some reason I changed TM1 to TM1U. Here I installed it yesterday. So that's the reason why it is giving there is no file, but now it is done, right? So say here planning sample is there, Go is there. Like this, different servers are there, right? I want to create a new server for our project, that is a Priyanka. Just to give it. Just a minute.
Hari, I can't hear you if you are talking.
Hi Priyanka, sorry, actually I got a call from this. Hello?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Hari.
I got your name, Priyanka, because
Archana.
always I'm calling you Priyanka. Sorry for that. Okay. You see now, these are the three servers, right? I want to create one more server. That is to say Priyanka server. Okay, now go to the all program. In a ninth version or some other previous version, it's somewhat difficult. But in the 10th version, it is very easy. Just go ahead,
Okay.
Cognos TM1. You see now, configuration, right? Go to this place. First time when you are installing also, you need to go to the same location. Am I right? You already aware of that.
Yeah. Yes.
Configuration, you need to start all the server and save it, right? First time. The same thing. If you
Yeah.
want to create a new server also, you need to do the same thing.
Okay.
See now the server is started. Sorry. Click yes. One second, let it start. This is starting. Before to that, you need to understand one thing, okay? Where actually we have installed our Cognos, right? TM1 new, and go to the samples, and in the TM1, see here the servers are there, right? If you want to create
Yeah.
a new server, you need to create here new folder in the installation location, okay, where all the servers, remaining servers are there. Try to create the server. The server is nothing but one folder you create. So you just put the same name, Priyanka. Okay, I have created one server, Priyanka. Inside that, you create two folders. One is data folder. One is data. One is logs folder. Okay, and after that you need to go to the previous planning sample, right? Any one of the server which is already existing, go to that server and copy the TM1S CFG file. One file will be there, configuration file. You directly copy, Control C,
Yes.
and go to our Priyanka folder here, paste here. So whatever you are creating, right, all the cubes and all those things, data folder will be, any log file is generating for the server, it will come here. And TM1S you copied, right, you open that particular configuration file. And you see now server name is a planning sample, right? You try to give our name, okay, Priyanka. First point, server name you should change. And where is exactly our data directory is present? Where is it present?
C directory.
Directory where the Priyanka location is present. See this one. So take
Yeah.
that one,
Program files.
okay, and you try to put the same. I think you open this one later. You open this one, okay, now you uncomment. So this is the database directory. Admin host is same and port number will be there. You just change some other number. 12345 is there, right? You change to some other number. 12390. Anything. Because same port number you shouldn't give.
Okay, like okay, we have some range, right? Like 5,000 to
Exactly this one.
okay.
So any another
49
which is not already used one, okay? So
Okay.
first port number and this directory name and your server name. That's it. Three things, right? Because what you are doing here, you are simply changing the configuration file and you are doing this one. So the configuration file you copied from some other server. Done.
Okay.
Save it. Get saved. One second. What is the file extension? CFG file, right? Access denied. What? Why it is denied? Okay, let me go for something. I am the admin only. Right? One second, please. I will give the permission. Maybe I am not able to read this. Now try to see that. I'm admin, right? Yeah, you control it. Okay. So now if you are opening this one, what is exactly we change three places. One is server name, Priyanka, and database directory and port number. Am I right? That is what you need to do.
Yeah.
In the wherever the remaining servers are there, you go to that folder, and then you create one folder. Inside that data folder, logs folder, and TM1S file you copy from some other server and replace it. And go to the configuration here. These are the servers, right? Already all started. Now data TM1 server, right click, new resource, TM1 server instance. Okay, Priyanka. So configuration path is, you go to the SCFG file. Where is that? See, for example, if you go to the previous one, you just see that what is the previous servers they have given. Same thing you have to give. Okay. Just cancel it here. You see this one planning sample, right? So you need to go to that particular place. Same thing. You just need to go to. I think you directly take that.
Yeah.
Where this configuration file is present, TM1S where it is present, that location you need to give. So under Priyanka, right, for our server. So directly you give the name. Okay. And now it's done. Now you try to start it. Because in the configuration file you need to save it, yes, obviously. And it will, you need to start the service. See this. New server, right? It is.
Yeah.
So if the port number is matching, it will fail. If the same port number is
So
given,
one server,
yeah, one server,
you should have a unique port number.
exactly. So now it's done, right? Now go ahead to the file, refresh available service. Okay. By default, admin is the user ID. Password nothing. Apple also not required.
Okay.
After that, you can change the security and all those things. For admin also, you can put password is Apple or something, whatever you want, undeffined, Priyanka, anything. Okay. So nothing is there.
Okay, Hari. One thing like this Priyanka cube we have created on our own. We are not getting any data. So by default, I see some cubes are there for some servers. In some servers, some data is there.
Here also see this, Priyanka. These are all control cubes. You see now, TM1,
Okay.
Priyanka. These
So
are all,
actually,
nothing is here, right?
okay.
If you want to get some cubes, you copy paste from some other server. For example, planning sample is there. By default, nothing will come, even planning sample also. They have created and then gave it to you. For example, we want to give S1 location and all those things, right? One cube I want to copy paste.
Okay.
So that is what our deployment also now I am going to tell you. That is what. So for example, if you want to move our cube, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, Hari, can you please go to this TM1 new?
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
In this, can you come down?
Okay. This one, you are asking. Which one you are expecting?
Yeah, this one, web content.
Yeah, web content
Can you please
also.
open that?
This one you are asking samples.
Yeah, samples. Yeah,
Yeah.
data sources, cubes, AMD tool.
No, that is depends. If you
So
want to copy paste something, so in the 10th version I will copy paste something like that. That's not the mandatory.
so what I tried was like, if I get some data, so it will be good for analyzing. So it will be some real kind of data in that. So I tried for great outdoor
Okay.
data source.
That's fine. Actually, see what you can do is if you want.
Yeah,
Okay.
unable to see the data.
Yeah, normally this is the database related files actually. For example, DB2 database if you want Go Sales DW, all those things. It's not the cube data.
Okay, okay.
Data sources.
Okay, we need to go with the ODBC connection and all.
Exactly. You just create the ODBC connection, then just create it. And the SQL server you dump it. Go Sales DW.
Okay, 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 okay. I got
And
it.
this one is what I am doing is here. For example, in the data folder, nothing will be here. Am I right? Because you don't
Okay.
have any data. But you want the data from different servers. So that time,
Okay.
how do you
We
deploy?
can copy paste.
You can copy paste them, but when you are copying any cube, that cube related all the things you need to copy. Please remember, is it a dimension or is it a cube? So for example, Priyanka cube I want to give, right? So you need to go to the planning sample. We have created Priyanka cube, right?
Okay.
You just see what are the things you did. So .dim is dim files. Check where is our cube.
Yeah.
Is it in another folder? Maybe I am using which one? Oh, sorry, I am creating different. This is the sandboxes, all the user related.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, that is created in the virtual machine, right? Priyanka sample cube. In the virtual machine, this is outside machine, right?
Okay, okay. Yeah, this is a new version you have
Yeah.
opened.
So you copy whatever is available, for example. Okay. I will copy.
Okay.
See, .cub is a cube. This is.
Okay.
And .dim is dimensions. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, these dimensions I want in my cube. Okay? All these dimensions in Priyanka cube. Control C. And you need to go to our Priyanka. You click outside or here itself. But please go back here and restart it.
Okay.
Or you can go to the services also. Okay, not only here. But
Okay.
I already
Yeah,
opened
yeah.
the reason why I'm and go here, refresh available service once again. It will ask you once again to log in the Priyanka because you restarted, right? Admin. You see, this is not coming because of we have given this is outside. So try to click
Oh,
outside. Control Alt Priyanka
okay.
outside of this folder. Okay?
Yeah.
Paste it. And once again you restart. Stop and whatever the things you directly copy under Priyanka folder because here we have given like that. Hmm? So again, file, let it re-log in.
Mm-hmm.
You can see the
Yes.
everything. So the same thing when you are creating the maybe development to production, how you will apply. Same thing. If you are creating only one cube, that cube related all the things, dimension, rule files. Say for example here. So dim is the dimension file. That cube related dimension files you need to copy. Okay, please remember that is very, very important. Cube and also any control cubes are changing. Then also you need to copy all the things related to that one. Normally how will you get date modified you can see, and then whatever is changed in the recently related to that cube, you can copy all those things and paste into the production environment. That's it. Yeah, this is how you can do the normal. So this is the only one thing you will do the administration. And yes, finally I have one more thing, a very important thing. Cell level security, how to give. You know now dimension level I have given, cube level I have given, cell level.
Yeah, cube level. Okay.
Cube level read and write also I have given, right? For example,
Yes.
this Priyanka sample cube, you display control updates. Without this, each cell I want to give the access or not. So, for example, India, he should change
Mm-hmm.
January, but he shouldn't change February. He should change March. He shouldn't change April, or you should not change October. Something like that. If I'm giving the
Okay.
read permission of that entire cube, what will happen? Entire cube read permission, not for one cell. Am I right?
Yeah.
If I give the write permission, entire cube will be write permissions, not for one cell. But I want that. So for that, what you need to do is right click that particular cube, security, create a cell level security. I told you I will explain you later, right? This is what.
Yeah.
Once you click cell level security, like pick list cube, it will come in the display control objects.
Control objects.
So go to the Priyanka, that cell level security cube, it will
Yeah.
apply.
Cell security.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, it's there. Cell
Okay,
security.
for this, you directly open it. So for India, 2011 January, so maybe which value that is? Revenue value? So group at our BI mail group, right?
Meet.
So
Yeah.
revenue,
BI to the.
January I am giving read permission for revenue. February, I am giving write permission.
So this depends upon the requirement.
Requirement, based on requirement. Again, March,
Okay.
read permission. Then, right? Close it.
Yeah.
Now, you just, are you, as an admin, you will always having access, okay?
Yeah.
You just check it before that. Priyanka sample queue. So, India, 2011 January, revenue, you can change. And everything you can change, am I right? But
Yeah.
you can go ahead and see with the Priyanka, because BI 2000 rupees sheet. Sorry.
Priyanka.
Oh, sorry.
Hari, in real time, with how many groups we will be dealing with approximately?
It's based on the requirement. Sometimes 3 groups, sometimes 10 groups also. Because if the users are different requirements.
Okay.
If all people are same requirement, then create one group only enough for us, right? But sometimes some users they want India group people or Australia group people, something like that.
Okay.
You see now Priyanka sample, 2011 India. See here, January group read permission I give. February I can change. March I can change. But March you see, it's a read group. You cannot edit. Cell is not editable. Here, so anything you see, you select in the thing. Now January read permission I give, so I cannot write. Here I can write. All these things are right. If you are not giving anything, it is writable only. But if you are giving prescribed read means, then it is done. Clear or any questions in the cell level?
No, it's clear. It's clear.
That's it. You will do normally these things only. Because in TM1 there is nothing installation, right?
Yeah. Admin is very easy.
Very easy. But only the whole architecture only matters. But if that's what I told, it's a very easy like Excel. It's not a big deal for you normally. But only one thing is you need a proper project. One project is enough. 3 months real-time experience will make you because you know all the things. You will
Okay.
do very less things in that. You will not do all the insight and contributor, TM1 web, all those things. Most things you will not do. Action
Yeah,
button.
Hari, this contributor you said was performance modeler. It will be we get model design and application design, where application design is a contributor in that.
Exactly.
Okay.
Application design is the
So
design application design value is the architect, but
yeah, that is a new version performance module.
exactly.
Okay. And some you said some deployment,
Some deployment means
like you said you'll explain something regarding deployment.
this is what how to do. I told you
Okay.
right now. So whenever you want, you can copy
Okay.
paste the data folder directly.
Okay.
So you
And
directly
one
copy,
thing,
but when you are copying, only one thing you need to remember. For example, if you are copying the architect, means this turbo integrator process related file. But in the turbo
okay.
integrator, what you will do? You will have the development user ID password, right? Before copying, you change it to the production and then you save it.
Okay.
Are you getting my point? Say, for example, in the in one of the turbo indicators, you have created newly. So that is what this one process. Say my sample process is there. This my
Okay.
sample process you want to copy to your production server. So where is that? Maybe in my case, it is available in my D drive. Installation location. While you are copying,
Okay.
wherever you install, same thing. Now Priyanka means in the C drive, that is outside the folder I copied. This is the VMware actually. Okay, this is a different copy and outside this different copy. So here custom TM1 data and planning sample area, right? Here all the files arrange icons by type. So .cbv is the cubes, all are cubes. RUX is the files, yeah. Pro is the files, yeah. These are the process. See, my sample process, right? You copy this one and paste it. But when you are copying, what is there? Here, if you are observing, maybe if it is SQL server, say,
Okay.
if it is SQL server, you have clearly mentioned that user ID password, right?
Yeah.
Your SQL. So try to do one thing. All are Excel only. I need one.
Yeah. Yes.
Uh, okay, fine. 1 second, I will show you. If it is a ODBC connection, here you will give the data source and user ID password, right? So here I am giving the development user ID password, am I right? To the data source. But in the production, this user ID password may be different, am I right? Yes, Archana? Archana, are you able to hear me? Hello? Archana, are you able to hear me?